This Southwest Realty property video is presented by Hal Barnett. Don't miss out on this charming ranch-style home that boasts a spacious and open floor plan, perfect for entertaining guests. With 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, there is plenty of space for a young growing family. The centerpiece of the living area is a cozy fireplace, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The large backyard offers ample room for outdoor activities, and the potential backyard access provides added convenience. The home's location is ideal, situated close to a park and community center, providing easy access to recreational activities. Please see LOSO Remarks. For more information, review the details below or contact Hal Barnett at 505-898-8899.